Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Morph Sport short riding gloves. Okay, the all-new Morph Sport short gloves retail for $149.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Start off with sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I've got on now, and I've got a good, comfortable fit. Dexterity and comfort is really what this whole Morph series of gloves is all about. There's two that are currently in that class right now. It's this one, which is going to be the more protective of the two, right? Selling for $49 more than the other. And then the Morph Street glove, which is lighter and wears even more comfortable with this one. You do sacrifice some airflow and protection with that model. So I feel with the additional $49, you're really picking up some benefits that most riders are going to enjoy without really sacrificing much of that dexterity that Alpinestars was aiming for with this. These gloves show more high-tech fabrics being introduced into the Alpinestars line with this Morph Tech weave. It's a single layer weave. You see it used here on the back of the hand. You got the over-injected knuckle protector that we first saw on their GP Tech race glove. My son Max has been using those in Moto America the last couple of years. This technology has proven itself to be very effective. I like seeing that trickle down into the street gloves as well. We have Ride-Knit fabric used here on the back of the hand. Super comfortable, single layer technology. This encourages airflow. That same fabric is used in between the fingers to help drive air into the glove. Your hands are out in the wind, the air drives in there, really keeps your hands cool and comfortable. Goat skin bridge is used between the ring finger and the pinky finger. It rolls over the side, and you can see it down here into the palm as well. That's the impact zone. That is done to bolster protection in that critical area. Back of the thumb is done in perforated goat skin. A little motion panel there, the tip of the thumb also in goat skin. You get to the palm. Goat skin with external seams for comfort is used. To protect the palm area, we have an abrasion-resistant textile fabric that is laid over top of a nice panel of like kind of a medium density memory foam to really protect you in that area. Additional overlay here in goat skin helps keep the service life of the gloves a little higher. This is where your hands are going to touch the bars most often. Touchscreen compatibility, we got a swatch of that on the index finger as well as on the thumb. Motion panel, stretch fabric is used in between the thumb and the index finger. The reason they do that is so when you have your hands on the bars, you got a little weight there. If you have a traditional glove that maybe is a little tight in that V and it's done in leather, when you put your weight on the bar like that, it's going to really pull on your index finger. It makes it more difficult to reach out and cover the brake. By having that textile fabric there, stretch fabric, they've used it for a number of seasons now in different gloves. It really removes that obstacle. More dexterity, more comfort, enhances the overall ride experience. Entry and exit is managed right here with Velcro. Here's a look at the backside of that Ride-Knit. That stuff's really cool. We've seen that used in some jackets and some race suits and some pants now. It's a single layer that needs no liner fabric, right? Abrasion and tear resistant and super comfortable while being high airflow. All in all, what do I think about these? I think they hit the mark. I think at $149, this is a reasonable value, right? You get a lot of technology, a lot of protection in a chassis that ends up being super comfortable. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.